Eggless cakes? Dense? Dry? Forget it. Today, we bake an unbelievably delicious, perfectly textured, eggless chocolate banana cake. The unicorn is real! Welcome, food lovers! We're not just baking, we're starting a delicious rebellion. This is the eggless chocolate banana cake perfection, proving they were wrong. It can be done. For this cake, you'll need super ripe bananas for moisture and binding. Add quality cocoa and chocolate chips for deep chocolate flavor. Flour, baking soda, and baking powder will give it the perfect lift. The magic egg replacers are plain yogurt and apple cider vinegar, which keep it moist and fluffy. Don't forget oil, sugar, vanilla, and salt. Room temperature ingredients are key. Start by sifting together the flour, cocoa, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. This will remove lumps and aerate it, ensuring a light cake. Whisk it well for an even rise. Next, mash your ripe bananas. Whisk in your sugars, then oil, followed by the plain yogurt and a splash of apple cider vinegar. Stir in the vanilla. Remember, room temperature ingredients work best. Now it's time to gently combine. Don't overmix. Fold the dry ingredients into the wet in thirds, mixing just until everything is combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. For extra banana flavor, fold in more mashed bananas if you like. Toss your chocolate chips in a little bit of flour before adding them to the batter so they don't sink. This step ensures every slice gets that chocolatey goodness. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees and prep your pan. Pour in the batter and bake it on the center rack for 45 to 60 minutes. No peeking early. Once done, a skewer inserted into the cake should come out clean or with a few moist crumbs. Now the hardest part, patience. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10-15 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps with the structure and moisture. Now it's time for the reward. Slice into that cake and see the moist, tender crumb. The banana, cocoa, and melted chocolate blend perfectly. And the texture? Unbelievably soft and light. This isn't just good for eggless, it's absolutely fantastic. Want to try it? Full recipe is in the description box below. Share your bakes and questions in the comments. Love this? Thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deliciousness. And there you have it, eggless chocolate banana cake perfection. Rich, moist, and flavorful, proving that eggless baking can be extraordinary. Thanks for joining and happy baking!